You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's fix Messenger not working on your iPhone. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Update the Messenger app from the App Store to the latest version. If the app crashes, try offloading it. Go to Settings, General, iPhone storage, find Messenger and tap Offload app, then reinstall it from the App Store icon. Clear the app's cache by offloading, as iPhone doesn't have a direct clear cache option. Check app permissions, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Notifications. Ensure Messenger is allowed to send notifications, also in Privacy. Check microphone and camera permissions if calls aren't working. Log out of Messenger and log back in to refresh your account session. Check if Facebook servers are down by visiting a site like Down Detector. Update your iPhone's iOS software in Settings, General Software Update. As a last resort, delete and reinstall Messenger. But no, your chat history may not sync completely without a prior backup. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.